Welcome, everybody. This is a very quick presentation on a collective action that we just launched on inclusive digital transformation of agriculture. To show that we see farmer-centric on-farm experimentation, the theme of this conference, as a viable good practice for farmers' inclusion in the design and development of digital solutions. I'm Valeria Pesce from the Global Forum on Agricultural Research and Innovation, GFAR. I prepared this presentation together with Viviana Palmieri from the Forum of the Americas for Agricultural Research and Technology Development, FORAGRO, and with Fernando Lopez from COPROFAM. Quick summary. The problem we face is that smallholder farmers are not harnessing the benefits of the digital transformation of agriculture due to the obvious reasons of lack of resources and skills, but even more, in our view, to the lack of inclusion in technology governance and technology design, and in the negotiations on business models that work for farmers. What our partners think is needed is enabling farmers as key actors and co-innovators in the design, governance, and benefit sharing of digital agriculture solutions, which for us means that farmers in the end have to co-design solutions, have to be able to co-design solutions, to co-develop and negotiate good practices and business models that work for them, and to participate in governance of digital solutions. This is why a group of partners in GFAR started a collective action to address this challenge, and this action will consider on-farm experimentation as a viable good practice for inclusion. As we said, we have started this collective action. The first phase was launched in August 2021 in Latin America and the Caribbean, and is led by the Forum of the Americas for Agricultural Research and Technology Development, FORAGRO. The activities that will be conducted in this action are these, and as we can see, the core of the action will be the multi-stakeholder consultations on good practices and business models that work for farmers, and capacity development activities on those good practices. The key concepts of the approach are that the action and the good practices have to be farmer-fair and farmer-centric, that the action has to be multi-stakeholder and lead to co-innovation, and the good practices have to be co-designed, and the action has to develop negotiation capacities in farmers. So the core of the action is good practices that implement this approach. So where does on-farm experimentation come into play? We said that the action is focused on inclusive good practices and business models for the design, development, and governance of digital solutions. And looking at how an inclusive good practice should be, we see that the 6 principles of farmer-centric on-farm experimentation are very much in line with our concept of inclusion. Farmer-centric is, of course, a common key approach, but also co-design and co-innovation align with co-learning. And co-design entails that solutions become scalable and context-specific, which in a way means real systems. The concept that perhaps goes a little farther than on-farm experimentation is inclusion in governance of digital solutions, which is key in our collective action. And as far as expert-enabled is concerned, we consider all the actors that provide expertise in the co-design of technologies. And in general, in the action, we include all the actors in the digital agricultural value chain: farmers, researchers, companies, NGOs, extensionists. And our action is multi-stakeholder, and we'll see different actors negotiate. This is why we have different actors that are representing different stakeholders. So the Global Forum on Agricultural Research and Innovation, GFAR, is facilitating the action, but the partners that are working on the action in Latin America for this first phase are FORAGRO, which is coordinating the action and representing all the stakeholders in the region, the Confederation of Organizations of Family Producers of Mercosur, COPROFAM, representing family farmers in the region, the Global Open Data for Agriculture and Nutrition Initiative, GODAN, that supports the action on technical and legal ethical aspects of data, the Ag Gateway Consortium that represents the digital technology providers, and then research institutions and governments that are represented in FORAGRO. And the World Farmers Organization will endorse the action externally until the action scales out, and they will participate more actively. So thank you very much for your attention.